Grandstand Events was amazing.
We couldn't be more pleased with the work that Christian and his team does.
Everything we asked for, they accommodated.
They're an easy company to deal with.
Hi guys, it's Meg here from Grandstand Events. Just up here at Brisbane Truck Show 2021. After a tough 12 months, we're excited to be back and building 5 awesome stands.
One of the things that's actually really rewarding is the fact that they work very closely with you.
A very flexible team, a great team to bring to life our creative vision.
They have great suggestions and give us ideas that we wouldn't have thought of and have been excellent again to deal with.
All our walls and the banners and everything were up on day one, which for us was a huge relief. So a big hand of Grandstand Event just to do that for us early on.
What Christian and team have done is beautifully brought to life our corporate colours of blue and white, a lovely blue backdrop complemented by the 4 white vehicles we have on display.
The stand is amazing. It's everything that I ever dreamed of. And it's actually one of the biggest and best stands we've ever done for the Brisbane Truck Show. So we have a bit of colour on the stand, there's a bit of greenery, and it's just amazing.
Grandstand have come up with a really good concept that's refreshed it and made it even more appealing than it is last time. And so they've been fantastic.
I would definitely recommend Grandstand Events to all my family and friends.
I'd recommend Christian and team at Grandstand Events to anyone who required the level of service that his team provides.
Of course, I'd recommend Grandstand Events. It's been enormously rewarding.
Nothing short of outstanding ability to deliver a vision and very cost effective.
Their customer service is amazing. They're very prompt with their emails, with calls. I would totally recommend Grandstand Events.